We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, teaching you the phrase "How much?" 多少钱？
几多钱？
几多钱？我现在刚好肚子饿，想到一件事情，
真的哦，
跟朋友出去吃饭啊，到最后大家要分嘛，就一定会用到多少钱啊？
多少钱？
这句话
付了多少钱？
对，这个时候会用。When you go out and have a meal with friends, then at the end you're gonna ask how much is it, so people can split the bill, right? So let's put you in that situation. 我们来听一个这样的状况句好了。
吃到汉堡哦，也件传统嘅菜，好食咯。
我每次都好食，没当便宜。
嘿哦，总共几多钱？
哇，吃得好饱哦！
在聊刚刚吃的内容，对不对？
而且产品很便宜，
好吃又便宜，
最后就要付钱，
还是要付钱嘛，对不对？Oh, got it. This is cool. We're teaching you a lot of things in this conversation about how full you are and how delicious the food is at this restaurant, and then how much is it at the end. So let's break it down, okay? 所以第一句也是在说吃得好饱，然后这家餐厅菜好吃，对不对？怎么说？
吃到汉堡哦，
吃到汉堡哦，
也件传统嘅菜，
也件传统嘅菜。
好食咯，
好吃哦 That means delicious. And then this restaurant, right? The 菜 the food at this restaurant, 这个餐厅叫做
传统。
传堂，对，这个以前有教过。That means a restaurant. And then 吃好饱，好饱。
汉堡哦，
汉堡哦。然后呢，对方就说，我也觉得好吃，也很便宜。I think it's delicious too, and it's cheap.
我没吃到好食，
我没吃到好吃。
没当便宜，
没懂便宜 ，OK？ 便宜就是便宜。That obviously I can tell is cheap, and I think it's delicious too. 我没吃到好吃。And finally, how much is it, right? 是哦，总共多少钱？
嘿哦，
嘿哦，
总共几多钱？
总共几多钱？
总共多少钱？
对，很棒很棒。怎么办？越教越饿了。赶快来教几个片语再蕊一次哦。
好，
包括这个好饱 so full，
汉堡哦，
汉堡哦 ，and then 餐厅 the restaurant，
传堂，
传堂 and it's delicious 好吃，
好食，
好吃。Okay, let's listen to the conversation again.
吃到汉堡哦，也件传统嘅菜，好食咯。
我每次都好食，没当便宜。
嘿哦，总共几多钱？
Don't forget, this month we're teaching you how to say how much 多少钱，
几多钱？
几多钱 and that does today's conversational Hakka.
什么大家？
单词 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.